Okay, 10 fat burning exercises you can do while watching TV. Really, while watching TV? Let's start with a warm up to keep the muscles going. To do this side reach, start with your feet apart, bend your knee a little and lean your body to one side of your body, with your hand reaching for the ceiling. Hold for some seconds then and switch to the other side. Now we start proper. Number 1. Standing oblique twists. This exercise is good for calorie burning and it helps work out your side muscles and your abs. Start with a standing position with your feet apart with your hands stretched to both sides with your palm facing down. Your hands and leg must stay still as you do it. Switch back to the starting position and return to the opposite side. Only bend at the waist and keep your legs steady on the ground. Number 2. Push-ups. To work out your upper chest, shoulders, and triceps, I will advise you start with the arm rest. Put your hand on its arm rest on a shoulder width distance. Your body must be one straight line. Start bending your elbow and go down with your chest. When you reach the ground, come back up again and go back and forth like that. I recommend 10 per go if you are a beginner. Number 3. Arm circles. This is a great way of getting rid of flabby arms while watching your favorite show. Stand again with your feet apart and raise your both hands to take a horizontal stand at your shoulder height. Start going in circles in forward direction with your hands and after a while start going backwards. You can even hold lightweight objects while doing this exercise for extra fat burn. Up next, number 4. Chair squats. This is to tone the lower parts of your body. Stand up straight next to a chair with your body facing it. Keep your feet apart with your toes forward. Keep your back straight and start squatting slowly until you reach the chair. Then when you reach the chair, go back to your original position and go back and forth for a while. Again, for beginners I will recommend 10 times. Number 5. Seated knee. Sit at the edge of your chair and cross your arms over your chest. Raise your right knee as high as you can and take it down. Do the same to the left. This exercise gives you balance. Number 6. Leg raises. This exercise works out your lower abs. Lie down and stretch your legs. Put your hands palm down under your buttocks. Keep your legs together as you bend them up to your stomach level and push it back and forth slowly. Number 7. Lunges. This exercise helps to tone your thigh, calves, and even your abs. Make a step forward with your right leg. Shift your hips down. Both knees must be at a 90-degree angle. Press your right heel into the floor. Then push back to a standing position, and do the same for your left heel. When you are doing lunges, your heart rate goes up, which means you are burning even more fat. Number 8. Jumping jacks are equally as good as lunges. It's an intensive full-body form of cardio perfect for burning fat. It also boosts your metabolism and keeps your heart healthy. Stand up with your two legs together. Bend your knee a little, and put your hands on your thighs. Lift your arms and legs to the side. Cross your arm above your head. Then put them down and back up your legs. Also keep moving to the sides and back. Make strong and fast moves. Number 9. Quad stretch. Stand on your right leg. Lift your left foot and pull it with your left hand toward your back. Keep your chest open and move your hip forward. If you are doing it right, you will feel the stretch in your quad muscles and your hip. Stay in the position for 30 seconds, then switch legs and do it once again. You start by leaning on something until you find your balance. Then do it without leaning on anything. Number 10. Chewing gum. If you chew a sugar-free gum for 1 hour, you can burn 10 calories from the chewing process. Plus, it makes you full cause. You might want to skip a meal or two. If you enjoyed this educative video, please smash the subscribe button, smash the like button and break those notification bells, so you can be informed whenever we post contents like this about health management. Don't forget, your health is your wealth. Bye for now.